we can check out the studio real quick here. So here is, we basically have two different cameras going to recreate the two different kinds of views that I primarily want here. Here is the classic retro room set that I did a lot of my videos last year in, that I was super proud of. I basically recreated it just better in this setup, and I think the cozy kind of vibe effect, I need to clean this off and get some sticker bomb going on here, but you know, I was able to recreate that. But then just by putting this side camera, I am able to get the entirety here of my desk setup. So over here, I'm gonna get a little kind of audio weirdness. You see that desk right there? That is going to be dedicated to my CRT gaming setups. And so that will be my Windows 98 rig and the Windows XP rig I built back in 2017 on the channel. I have two big old high refresh rate CRT monitors that are going to be set up there. So I basically have a gradient from my retro gaming stuff over to retro PC gaming, over to modern gaming. And then we have my main editing desk. We have my Mac Mini M1 I picked up on an ultra wide monitor, and then my gaming PC setup stuff and my budget streaming rigs. So I have a lot going on. And then over that way off screen is my workbench setup. So I have a full studio tour coming soon, but super stoked. Blurry. Yeah, here, actually, I can do that. Let's just, there we go. You get a glance at it.